So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in startup apps. Click on it. This list will show us some applications that automatically start up once our laptop turns on. In my case, Microsoft Teams automatically starts up once my laptop turns on. I don't want it to do this, so I'm going to turn it off. You want to turn off all the applications that you do not want to start automatically when your laptop turns on. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to select adjust for best performance. Once you select this, it's going to untick everything. Once everything's been unticked, now you want to select custom. Now you want to tick smooth edges of screen fonts, and you want to tick show thumbnails instead of icons. So you want to untick everything and then just tick only these two, and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on power options on the top, and then click on show additional plans, and then select high performance. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in storage settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that you have storage sense turned on, and then click on storage sense. Now you want to scroll down and then click on run storage sense now. As that's running, we're going to go back to storage. Now you want to click on clean up recommendations. If you have anything here that's recommended to clean, you can then remove it. This will then free up your storage space. For the last step, just restart your computer, and then hopefully your problem will be fixed.